everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, we will learn about cell. Friends, have you ever thought what are living beings like humans, plants or animals made up of? Well, let's see. If we zoom all these living creatures, you can see small compartments. These compartments are called cells. Hence, it can be said all living beings are made up of cells, and the cell is the smallest unit from which all living beings are made. Cell is the fundamental unit of life. Friends, can you see them with your naked eyes? No, these cells are so small that they cannot be seen with naked eyes. If you want to see them, then you can see with the help of microscope, which you can find in your school biology laboratory. Well, a question must be arising in your mind that the cell which is so difficult to see, how difficult it must have been to find out about it. First, let's see how the cell was discovered. In the 1590s, a scientist named Zacharias Janssen invented the first real compound microscope. Then, in 1665, a great biologist named Robert Hooke examined the bark of a tree in the compound microscope, and he found out that the bark of this tree had many small cells whose structure is similar to beehive. They called these blocks a cell. Cell in a Latin word means small room or a compartment. So, in this way, Robert Hooke discovered the cell. After further research, it was found that all living beings are made up of cells. The cell is the fundamental unit of life. All cells come from previously present cells, that is, the first present cell divides and forms two new cells. And these are the postulates of cell theory. Now friends, do you think are all the living beings made of same cell or different? Yes, you're correct. All living beings do not look alike. So, how can they be made of same cells? Not only this, many types of cells are found in multicellular organisms like humans. For example, muscle cells are of this type of structure. Other cells like blood cells, bone cells, sperm, and nerve cells are of this type. Hence, all cells are different and the structure of cell are according to their work. And if you look at the size of the cells, then some cells are very small, which cannot be seen from the eyes, such as bacteria, which is about 0.1 to 0.5 micron in size. And the largest cell is of ostrich egg with a size of 170 millimeters into 130 millimeter. Did you see how many types of cells are found? Now, let us see how these cells look like. This is human and this is a plant. After zooming, the cell that you are looking at is an animal cell and this is a plant cell. How is their structure? Do you know? Let's see. This is a plant cell. Its outermost layer is called the cell wall. This cell wall is found only in the plant cells. It is not found in animal cells. After this, you can see the layer in the animal cell. This is called the cell membrane or plasma membrane. This layer is found in both plants and animal cells. The spherical thing you can see is called the nucleus. The area between the nucleus and the plasma membrane is called cytoplasm. Other than this, cells have very important parts which are surrounded by a layer called cell organelle. These cell organelles float in cytoplasm and have their own important work. Let's see them. This is endoplasmic reticulum. The black dots on the side of endoplasmic reticulum is called ribosomes. The endoplasmic reticulum containing ribosomes is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. And those which do not have ribosomes are called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. After this is Golgi apparatus. And this is called lysosomes. And this is called mitochondria. This is plastid, which is found only in plant cells. And now, these are vacuoles, which are very large in plant cells and very small in animal cells. So friends, this is all about the structure of the cell. So what did we learn in this video? Cell is the fundamental unit of life. Robert Hooke discovered the cell in the year 1665. Different types of cells are found in all living beings. One cell divides to form two new cells. Cells have various cell organelles like nucleus, mitochondria, ribosome, lysosome, etc. Now, we will learn about cell envelope and osmosis.